introduce myself, I would like to tell you that I am a student of English. I learn English along with my students. And while learning, in this process, I have come across few facts. Would like to share with you these facts in a very short presentation. And definitely for each language learner, these facts are going to help. I have tried to jot these points, jot these facts as in the process of understanding sounds and pronunciation. To share with you, very frankly, every individual learns language, and every individual's language has its own age, as every individual has. And based on this fact, I am stating this, that language grows as an individual grows. It improves with more usage and more exposure. Linguistic development is a continuous process in which we come across different linguistic existence, different forms of languages, different dialects, different accents, and many more things. The more usage of language we do, the more communicating competence is acquired by us. And in the process of language learning, listening, speaking, reading, and writing, these are 4 basic steps. And of course, pronunciation plays a very vital role in the process. So does the sound. In each language, sound plays very important role. That is why let us understand what is sound first of all, which is a very basic unit, basic linguistic element of each language. What is a sound? You may call it a smallest linguistic unit without meaning. It is an acutest linguistic existence. It is a primitive element of language, a very basic and essential aspect in the process of language evolution. Because of sound, we come across many existences. As animals have their different language, humans have evolved with many languages, the forms, and they have existed around the world. And English is not an exception to this. All the languages go through the same process of development. Now, what is sound? Linguistically, it has one more name, that is phoneme. Phoneme is another name to the sound. It is also a small linguistic element, sound unit, compatible of formal letter. It can be devised as a vowel or a consonant. Basic concepts, vowel and consonant. Let's understand. It's available on Google. You can get the information of vowels and consonants. In our primary education, we all have come across. In our original language, Kannada, we have understood. English also we find vowels and consonants. So a phonetic symbol can be revised as a phoneme. Phoneme rises to a syllable. I mean to say that syllable is formed with the help of phonemes, sounds. 2 different sounds come together to form a syllable, maybe a vowel and consonant, to form a meaningful articulation. Syllable, a very, very important linguistic unit again, which rises a bit higher to the existence of a letter, which we call alphabets. And these alphabets are syllables which are put into written script, physical form to be appeared on paper, properly scribbled by an individual. Alphabets, syllables, and then we go to phonetic symbols. Phonetic symbols are the ones, example I would like to tell you when we go through dictionary pages. We have some prescriptions, some transcription written after the word. That is for pronunciation. And we have to understand that. We have to be aware about that pronunciation properly. And nowadays, technology has given us so many opportunities to understand pronunciation of any word, of any language on Google. We can search on the net, we can go for voice search of some word, we can understand meaning, we can click on pronunciation button, and then we listen to it carefully. To speak about phonetic symbols, once again, we have to come back to the point. Phonetic symbols. International Phonetic Association has devised 44 sound segments as internationally acclaimed pronunciations for English language. Basic 44 sound element, which can be distributed within two major categories, vowels and consonants. There are 44 total, 20 vowels and 24 consonants, which we may go ahead and study in detail in our next session. To go more for sounds, to understand how it works, how it can be understood, I would like to suggest a very impressive and effective medium, that is dictionary. Dictionary plays a vital role in understanding sounds. For phonetic transcription, we can refer to the dictionary. The best one is available on Google, Web World. Voice search on Google helps in finding right pronunciation too. And to speak more about it, dictionary is clear and careful listening leads to the improvement in comprehension, the improvement in pronunciation. It enhances communication skills. Listening enhances your speaking skills. It enriches your vocabulary. It enriches your knowledge ultimately. So that is why listening is a very fundamental skill. And to add to it, if you really basic requirement, fundamental requirement of learning, language learning process. Thank you so much.